Right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.